Hiya and welcome to today's show. I know somewhere in this mess is an almost 2 foot long, 100-year-old Columbian 605 Vise. I think a bit of TV magic is called for here to help locate it. There it is. It's using its powers of camouflage to blend into its environment. Looking down from above, this would be almost invisible. Now everything's clear. I noticed I only have a double plug socket over here. I have to use the powers of TV magic again. Alright, extra socket sorted. Grinder bolted back down. I think we're ready to start this vise. It's a heavy bugger. I reckon this weighs about 60 pounds. And again, the other day I said about this, the amount of shit that's inside vices. That's got a pin. I mean, there's a pin there somewhere. I have a big old magnet sitting on the vise underneath that's caught the pin right there, look. If I didn't and that dropped on the floor, I'd be lost forever. So I've got a wood chisel that I don't think much of here, and I'm using out the hole inside. You will not believe how much crap I get out the inside of this. Look at that, that's been ingrained for 100 years in there. Alright, moving on. Time for it to have its first bath in 100 years it's been around for. A nice degreaser bath. So I'm trying to get nothing there so that can soak while I go and have my dinner. I'm going to be told off in a minute if I don't go for my dinner. Oh. I'm using a cheap old paintbrush here, getting as far as possible to get the degreaser in there, try and get all the muck off. There was so much muck inside this one. And that's how good that, I'm going to black my hands with it. That's how good that degreaser is. This has turned out so well that since I sold my Record 74 Auto Vise and the little record, this is now my Vise that I look at sitting on the shelf. Okay, that's all. Bye for now.